Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix WebGL not supported in Chrome browser. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a Chrome browser and click on a three dots and go to your settings. After doing this step, click on advanced, go to your system. After doing this step, enable it, use hardware acceleration when available, click on it and click on a relaunch. Okay guys, after that click on type a Chrome double slash flags. After opening that, click on the search box, type a WebGL. Now you can see that a WebGL draft extension. Now it's disabled. Click on it and click on enable, relaunch it. Okay, that after doing this set, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your start menu and type a device manager, open it, click on a display adapter, select it, right click and update driver, click on a search automatically drivers. If you're see that, then if your problem is still, I hope this is your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your device manager and right click on a update driver, click on a browser my computer drivers, click on a browse, click on a let me pick up a list available driver on my computer, select it, click on a next button. Okay guys, it's required of a few seconds to install the driver. Okay guys, now the drivers will be install automatically successfully. Close it. I am sure that your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a system information, open a system information, and you can check a processor. My processor is a i5 3570. Okay guys, so close it, go to your search box, Google, and type i5 driver. After doing this set, now you can see that first link is Intel website, so click on it. After doing this step, select a Windows operating system. In my case is a Windows 10 64-bit, so select it. After doing this step, now you can see that a graphic driver, click on it, click on a download according to your Windows operating system. In my case is a 64-bit, so click on a download button, click on save it. Now after doing this step, downloading will be started. It's required of a few minutes to download the files, so I just wait it. Okay guys, download your driver, and after downloading that, install it. I hope that after doing this that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.